What would you like? Oh, you're rolling over. You must want a treat. Hi, Darla. How are you? What? You rolled over again. Do you want a treat? Okay, hold on. I'll fix it for you. Alright, I got your treat. Let me see you roll over. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yes. Darla? You want a treat? Huh? Want your treat? Come on. You look at me for Yeah, you gotta come down to get it.
Mom gives it to me on my stoop.
Oh, you gonna shake? You wanna shake? I forgot. I only got one hand. Alright, shake. You gotta shake. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Smart cats.
Spaz eater stuff.
Poor Gypsy's outside looking in. Yep, Spaz ate.